In the modern theater of operations, tactical supremacy isn't just defined by the speed of our software, the range of our radar, or the armor on our vehicles.
The ultimate, most complex weapon system we deploy is the human operator. But in extreme environments, our most critical asset is often most vulnerable.
Currently, declining health and impaired brain function are documented crises in our defense sector. Studies have shown that sustained fatigue, high stress, and toxic buildup from irregular schedules, night shifts, and deployment environment can reduce cognitive function by up to 30%. That means clouded judgment and lower reaction times in high-stress tactical situations.
Current countermeasures rely heavily on changing behavioral routines, taking supplements, and increasing sleep. These efforts are important, but have severe limitations in training or active duty environments.
The food supplied by the government to its soldiers should not add to the burden of environmental and physiological stress. Research has shown that most military meals contain large amounts of chemical pesticides and hard metals.
Chronic pesticide exposure have been linked to cancer, neurological disorders, and endocrine disruptions, and the exposure to other chemicals during deployment have been attributed to poor mental health and reduced cognitive function.
A new approach is urgently needed. Organic food intake is known to reduce pesticide exposure and provides an overall benefit in disease reduction and immune function.
Our unique produce contains higher amounts of essential minerals and nutrients, all of which are needed to sustain the health, bodily function, and immune competence of our forces between training cycles and active duty rotations.
Members of the Canadian Armed Forces give everything in service of our country and for nations across the globe. The least we can do is make sure the food they eat supports their activities rather than undermining their health, performance, and service.
To defend our future, we must invest in those that are protecting it. Funding our technology means that our forces get the clean fuel they need to be sharp, healthy, and ready.